Today we will show you how to replace the Wi-Fi antenna flex on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Check the description for tools, parts and accessories. First, power off the phone and remove the SIM tray. Next, remove the two bottom screws. Next, heat the screen edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. If not, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, use a suction cup to lift the screen slightly. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the screen. Create a gap using a suction cup and then insert a plastic cup pry tool and cut the adhesive around the edges. Take your time and be careful. Once the screen is free, open it from right to left. Do not pull, cables are still connected. Next, remove the shield by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. And then disconnect the display and sensor cables from the logic board. Now remove the screen from the body. Next, remove the faulty Wi-Fi flex. First, undo two screws securing the earpiece speaker and gently remove it from the body. Next, disconnect the Wi-Fi connector plug and then undo the 6 screws holding the flex. There are 3 screws on the body and 3 screws on the side of the frame. And then gently remove the not working flex by applying some heat. Next, carefully align the Wi-Fi flex on the body. Next, secure the flex by adding 6 screws. Next, secure the earpiece speaker by adding 2 screws. Before reassembly, clean all adhesive from the frame. Next, apply the pre-cut water seal adhesive to the frame. Please note that this adhesive does not guarantee full water resistance. Take your time to position it evenly around the frame. Next, reconnect the sensor and display cables, and then reconnect the battery plug. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, install the shield by adding 8 screws. Next, align the screen and press it into place. Start from the top and work around the edges. Finally, install the two bottom screws. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.